Honorable Chair.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Chairman. Mr. Nyamira, if you want us to use that video where you are slapping people, then you are losing it. You are losing it in front of me. There is no justification whatsoever for a leader who's been elected to get into a county assembly, even when you may disagree with whoever is there, for you to be physical against them. So don't sit and tell me that the reason why you were beating somebody else in the assembly is because there were reasons.
Thank you.
Order,
Thank you, Honorable Senator.
Order, Senator Onyonka. Maybe he's built a case, so let's find out and listen to him, please.
Mr. Chair, violence cannot be a case.
Thank you, Honorable.
It can't be.
Okay.
Thank you, Honorable Senator. I don't know in a case where Honorable Senator can find a stranger in his compound what he will do. Thank you, Honorable.
You are not a stranger in Nyamira County government. You are an MP. You are an MCA.
Thank you.
Don't make those arguments here.
Honorable Onyonka, please.
Thank you.
Please. And I don't respond to...
Thank you. Thank you. I will not respond, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, there is an instigated paralysis in the county government of Nyamira by none other than His Excellency the Governor. There has been attempts to impeach the Governor on account of misuse of public